Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Hammad and I am from the Chemistry department. Today I tell you about how we can manipulate data with pandas. These are the presentation layout in which I can tell you about transforming data framework, aggregation data framework, slicing, indexing, creating and visualizing data frame. So first one is transforming data frames. In this way, we can inspecting the data framework if we want to find out the head of the homelessness data. So we can easily write this syntax, and this syntax is very helpful. So we can easily write dot head, and if we want to get information about this set, we can write dot inform, and we want to check out its shape, then we can write shape dot shape. In this way, in shape we can represent how many number of rows and columns are present, so that's why we can use shape. And if we want to describe its description, so we can write describe. So add column, if we want to add a column into the previous syntax, so we can easily write that homelessness total is equal to homelessness individual plus homelessness family members, because we want to add a total column. By this way we can easily add a total column in it. Add p individual score, if we want to add p individuals, so we can easily write that homeless individuals divided by homeless total. By this way we can easily find out the percentage of individual. In this way p represent the percentage. So by this way we can print a homelessness and we can easily get our information. So aggregating data framework, in aggregating data framework we mainly use mean and median. Means represent the average value and median represent the mid of the value. So by this way we can easily apply dot mean and dot median, then we can get our information. So if we want to count, so we can easily represent that store underscore count is equal to store underscore type dot value underscore count. By this way we can easily count our data. Slicing and indexing. In slicing we can use simply this semicolon. So but in this setting and removing index, in this part we can tell, I can tell you how we can setting and removing the index. So in this way I want to set an index, so by this way we can write set underscore index city. By this way the temperature index will be given out. And if we want to remove this syntax, then we can write temperature ind means index dot reset underscore index. By this way the index of the temperature or city will be removed out. In slicing we can simply slice our data by using semicolon, and these are the keys and these are the values. So these are the total information. And if I want to check out the breed of 2 and 5, so this one is an 0 1 and 2. We can count our data by giving the start value with 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if we want check out the breed of 2 to 5, so the two values is chow chow, and the fifth 2 to 5, this value and this value and this value will be given out. 2 3 4, and the 5 cannot be given out because this is the way that are involved in the Python. And if we want to check out the breed up to 3, so we can write column 3, and the information will be given out up to chow chow. And if we want to check out the breed all the breeds, so we can simply write a semicolon, colon. Creating and visualizing data framework, if we want to check out our data in the form of graph, in the form of histogram graph, then we can simply use this syntax. And our data will be converted into a bar plot by using kind is equal to bar. And if we want to rotate our these values, so we can write rot is equal to 45. Rot is rotation, so the syntax which are in the x-axis will be rotate about 45 degree. If we want to rotate it to 90 degree, then we can also write a 90. Scattering plot is another way to represent our data in the form of graph. So by this way we can simply use scatter on coined index. So that is the my certificate that I got from the Datacamp. So that is from my side. Thank you.